What is the best way to store fresh mozzarella cheese to keep it fresh?
Hello there, cheese lovers. Today we're tackling a very important question. What is the best way to store fresh mozzarella cheese to keep it fresh? There are a few key factors to consider here to ensure your mozzarella stays as delicious as the day you bought it. Let's dive right in.
What makes mozzarella unique?
Before we dive into how to store it, it's crucial to understand what makes mozzarella unique. Fresh mozzarella is a high moisture cheese, meaning it's very soft and has a lot of liquid. This high moisture content is what gives mozzarella its unique, creamy texture, but it also makes it a bit more challenging to store.
Storing mozzarella in the refrigerator.
The key to storing fresh mozzarella is to keep it cold and in a moist environment. Most fresh mozzarella comes in a brine, whey, or water solution to help preserve its freshness. Here are the steps. 1. Keep the cheese in its original liquid. This liquid helps to retain the cheese's moisture and prevent it from drying out. 2. Seal the cheese in airtight containers. After opening the original packaging, transfer the cheese along with its liquid into an airtight container to keep it fresh. 3. Store at the right temperature. Keep the container in the refrigerator, preferably at a temperature between 34 and 40 degrees Fahrenheit. Remember, do not freeze fresh mozzarella as freezing can change its texture and flavor.
What if the cheese is not in liquid?
Sometimes, fresh mozzarella might not come in a liquid. In this case, you can store it in a container with a slightly damp paper towel. This helps to maintain the moisture content of the cheese.
How long can fresh mozzarella be stored?
Fresh mozzarella should be consumed as soon as possible for the best flavor and texture, ideally within a few days of purchase. However, if stored properly in the refrigerator, it can last up to a week. Remember to check the use-by date on the package and always trust your senses. If it smells or looks off, it's best not to consume it. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can keep your fresh mozzarella cheese tasting delicious for as long as possible. We hope this guide has been helpful in preserving the creamy goodness of your mozzarella. Until next time, enjoy your cheese.